Thanks everyone. Thanks for joining Salesforce internship program. Today we are at episode number 8. We are going to create a agreement object and agreement tab. Let's see the use case of this agreement. What it happened after you generated a quotations, the quotation is get accepted by the customer. Once the customer is ready to adopt the pet, is an agreement has to be signed between the breeder and a customer who is going to adopt, which we call a sales agreement. The purpose of this agreement object is to whenever we are giving an agreement saying that I will take care of my pet based on the adoption that is happened with the best of my knowledge. I have purchased this list the pet from the buyer with best of my knowledge. So these are the agreement that we need to create in our Salesforce environment, right? So there is a acceptance agreement comes between your buyer and the seller, right? So this is the format it will look like, the sample format. So in order to achieve this agreement, we need to create an object under Salesforce CRM. Let's create an agreement object. Click on Object Manager, go to the Create Object, create an agreement object. As you know, the name field is an agreement number. So we are going to make the name field as an auto number. We have agreement number which is called AGR hyphen curly braces 000. Going to start with the starting number, this allow reporting, allow activities, allow track fields, add to the notes and attachment, and launch with a custom tab. Once you are done, click on a save button. It will ask for the tab selection. Choose any number, any random tabs. Click on next, add to the profile, click on next, add to the custom app, the app that we have created called PowerBreed CRM. Click on save button. Now agreement is created, tab is created, it get added to the PowerBreed CRM. Now let's create a field which we are looking for to be created on an agreement object. So we need to create the agreement date. Let's click on a new button, select a data type called date, click on next and put a label called agreement date. Make it visible and click on save new. After creating this, we need to create a lookup relationship with the customer account. We are going to select a lookup relationship with the account object. Click on next. Give the access permission to the profile. Click on next. Add to the layout. No need to add to the particular related list. Click on save and new. Once you are done, let's move to the another tab field called term and condition. Let's create a term and condition field which is a rich text area type. This time I am going to select a text area rich data type. Give a field label name called term and condition. Click on next. Give permissions to everyone. Click on next. Add to the layout and click on save and new. Now we need to capture the customer sign date. In order to capture customer sign date, we need to select a field data type called date. Let's put a label name called customer sign date, make it visible for all, hit save and new button. Let's put a customer address as we need to capture a customer address that need to be printed on my agreement. This time we need to select a data type called address. Click on next. Make it visible for all profile. Add to the layout, click on save and new. Now this time the code has a relationship with the agreement, means agreement has a relationship with the code. So after finalizing the code is being accepted, now adoption process has been started with the term and conditions. So we need to create an agreement. So there is a relationship with the code. Let's select a master detail relationship with the code. Don't select this related tab, click on save and new. Now we have also a relationship with the application request. We need to create a lookup relationship with application request so that we can track. We have been creating this agreement which is coming from the particular application request object. No need to add to the related list, hit save button. So now what we did, we have created the agreement object with agreement tab, with the name field, agreement date, application request date, request relationship, with the customer name, the customer address, customer sign date, the code relationship with the term and conditions. Now let's see what else we have. We are done for agreement object creations. Now let's see how it will look in our Power BI CRM app. Now under Power BI CRM app, we have an agreement tab. So now we are done with the objects and field creations. Under Power BI CRM app, we have a home, account, contact, reports, dashboards, pet, application request, quote and agreement. Thanks for joining this Salesforce internship program. Stay tuned for the next episode.